Hi guys, Pickles the Gaijin here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel, and this is a Pdgcast. I like doing the podcast actually because the video podcast or whatever, because actually just allows me to be in my element. I just get to talk and talk and talk. And everybody knows I love to talk. I'm actually a very shy person, well, not really shy, but shy. What has been happening recently with me? So unfortunately, there was some bad news over the last week. And with that bad news, though, there was a little silver line for me. I got featured on probably one of the larger, but probably one of the most prominent radio programs in Jamaica, beyond the headlines. I got a 10-minute feature interview, less than 10 minutes interview with Dion Jackson Miller. She's no longer Dion Jackson Miller. She's Dion Jackson something else. I can't remember right now. Right on RJR. Cool. It's probably the largest media group in Jamaica, I think. Yeah. And then after that, I posted a live video reaction to what the video that had been put online, that had been circulating. And then somebody from the Gleaner reached out to me, and I was featured in the Gleaner. So not a bad week for me, in terms of, I guess, I don't know, exposure. And with that being said, it's summertime now. It's hot. It is just hot, and it's summer, right? And then there's this rain all of a sudden come through this week, trying to sully my plans and stuff. It's just crazy. It's really crazy. I really was in a little spot in terms of the creative funk, putting out content and that sort of thing. Because I don't know, guys. Sometimes, I don't like it. I'm trying to compliment. I'm saying this is what I was going through at the time. You know what I mean? But I do put out weekly videos at least with reactions. I don't know if they're doing well or not, because it still feels like, for somebody with 12,000 subscribers, I should be getting more views. But when it's your time, Andre. You know what I mean? Just can keep pushing. Anyway, so do I have positive news? Yes, I'm being positive. So plans. So trying to get some more music done. I have some things in the pipeline coming through by the end of summer, hopefully by the end of this month. You guys can go check out my music on Spotify right now. My name is Dre Mazin. Some of my students don't believe that I actually sing. I showed them a couple of pictures of a performance I did, and they're like, "That's not Andre, no way." I mean, yeah, cool, whatever. Speaking of students, today, this is a little story time cut in. Because, these are the best videos where I just talk and just let you guys know what's going on, laid back type vibes. So today, I am teaching my class. And, I've already had an incident with shit, like stool, defecation, doodle, whatever you guys want to call it, poo. And again, this is a young child. And basically in this class, these are kids that are less than between 2 to 4 years old. So most of them have diapers, or if not diapers, they have a change of underwear in their bags. Today I'm teaching a lesson, and to be honest, I'm telling the full story. Today, I didn't wear any drawers. Alright, I didn't wear any underwear today. Cool. So I go use the bathroom today. And it's a squat toilet in where I am. Right? So I use that bathroom, boom, boom, boom. Then my thing come on. I come in the classroom and the kids are there playing around, and there's a sense, and I look down and I see this yellow, soft looking thing, kind of wet. And I'm like, no, it can't be. So I start checking my pants to see if I did something and I don't realize. You see what I'm saying? And to my chagrin, it's crap, it's poo, it's unko, it's poo poo. A little thing no bigger than this coin here was on the ground. I go for the paper towel and scoop it up. There's a little left behind, scoop again, take it up and throw it in the bin. Nobody has said anything to me this time. I don't know where this come from. So I figure somebody, I don't know, cool. A little later, we're doing the lesson and we're going to the colors and whatever, and we're setting up the table to do bowling. And the kid, as I said, to stay at the front, is stay at the front. Short kid. I look and he takes up I'm like, huh? And I look and somebody say, Sensei, there are two more. And the kid says, Sensei, there are two more of the uncle. I'm like, no, it can't be. It can't be crap right now. So I go and look and investigate, and often enough, it looks like it is what it is, some shit. No, some crap, some doodle, whatever. So now I'm looking at the case to see who is the guilty culprit. So I wonder if somebody used a bathroom, because I look at this vehicle one and say, hey, did you use the bathroom? And he's like, I'm like, all right, it can't be that bad, right? Never ever tempt fate by asking if it can't be that bad. You never ever do that, okay? Because it's like fate say, okay, let me level up on you. People, I lift up the boy's shirt, and his pants along his inner thighs are fully soaked. So I thought he peed himself. You know? It must have been pee. No. This boy is covered in shit. He's all of his inside. So I'm like, all right, guys, watch the DVD. Keep on bowling. Let me go take care of this kid. Go for his stuff, go in his bag. I like the last 10 minutes of the class. I'm not going to call his parents for this because this doesn't make sense. So I go, carry him to the bathroom, take off his shirt for him. Help him take off his shirt. I said, please take off your own pants, please, because I don't want anything to be misconstrued as me being a pervert or a hentai or pedophile, any of them. So I don't want that to be. All right? No miscommunication. Cool. Homeboy takes it off. He starts to pull on his underpants, his brief. And he's like, oh, Sensei, Uncle Deta. Like, yeah, it came out. I did it. And I look at the man's underpants. You know, like a man will have a bosun, a guy that has very big testicles. You know, like when you see a baby go into a pool with a wet diaper and everything is hung down. You know, like when Stuart Griffin was doing that scene when he had the two fuzzy dye in his diaper hanging down. That, you know, when you have a bag of water, like a plastic bag with water, it just hang down. That is how the young man's underwear looked. And in my mind, I am wondering, what did I do to deserve such wonderful luck? Because there are no baby wipes at the school. There's nothing. So it's just a tissue. And in the bathroom, right? The tissue is there. They say, our Bridget, come clean up himself. The boy cannot wipe himself properly. And I don't know if it's an intercooling poo system or shit system up, but the shit did not dry up on him foot and him not cleaning it properly. I say, yo, what is this? So I say, alright, boss, please take off your underpants by yourself, and I help him. And because the brief's so full of shit. The brief is so full of crap, people. Said the man's sock when he's taking his foot out of the foot of the brief, the socks are up on the shit, people. Yo, I'm smelling it right now. I'm smelling it right now. I couldn't. Like, my brain just flashed. I'm like a gag, like what is? Like, this is real life. These are the things teachers and parents have to go through. The kid did not tell me he wanted to use the bathroom at any point in time. You know, raise him hand, him don't look suspicious. The man sit down there. And no wonder. No, it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense when we're doing activities. He wasn't doing anything that required jumping or movement. So it's from coming in the classroom, you know. Like, a little bit after coming in the classroom, do it then. Because at the greeting song, you have to do certain movements, right? It wasn't doing it. He was doing it gingerly. Jesus have mercy. The boy was wallowing in the shit from about 5:15. Mighty God. Anyway, so started to clean. So I said, Bridget, clean up yourself. I said, you wouldn't have to cut aside. Please do it yourself, because you know you don't want anything to happen and be misconstrued. Again, you have to protect yourself. You understand me? So he's doing his thing, and he's not cleaning himself properly, and I want to help. I said, all right, what about your bottom? Do your bottom. Him not. So I kind of help him clean up his bottom and stuff. And him do him own thing around him private part. People, when I go to lift up from that underwear. It could be like a pound of rice. Me, I said, me, I'm trying to figure out how I get rid of all of this because we can't put it in my bag like that. I can't put it back in the bag like how it is because it stinks and it's a lot. You know, like corn? You know, like cornmeal? You ever see wet cornmeal yet? Yeah, that's the color. Is that healthy stool? I think that's healthy stool. People, I have to get paper towel and turn the brief this way. So the brief is like this with the thing there cut out. I had to turn like this, and when I did this once, it wouldn't come out. So I had to use the paper towel and shake it, and here, poop. Brother, that was just the ones that was loose. But look, this thing was still heavy. So I just wrap it up in my pants and fling it in one bag and give mother. After this, I say, here, mommy, you have to go clean him when you go home because I couldn't do it because it was me alone. I don't want his important place to be touched by this and that, and I protect myself. Send him on the way. Oh my God, this the red. This guy red. This guy red. I think this is it. Yeah, man. This is it. That is the last dump that broke the toilet. Yeah, man. I mean that. Yeah, man. I'll call it because this is safe at all. Yeah, so that happened there. Fine. So that was the other day or whenever. Whenever it happened. You see me? Why? Enough happened. But anyway, speaking of it, since I've been cleaning up that crap, looking to do some more collaborations with persons going forward. Summer, Auburn, I'm going to swing by Aichi, which is August 11 to 12. So I'm working with TNW Media right now, the new wave, and they actually put on parties in and around Tokyo. They're big in Okinawa. They put on parties in Okinawa every month, and we're putting on an event on August 13. So, yeah, hopefully, if you're in Japan, please come through and check it out. The next event I'll be doing is August 23rd. We love the 90s, R&B, reggae, hip-hop, all those things on the 90s at R3 Club Lounge. It's going to be crazy. July 23rd. And August 14, I'll be doing this a Jamaican event, Jamaican Jerk and Wine, which is Jamaican jerk food buffet, all you can eat. I think, as I said, all you can eat jerk chicken, I think, but Arkansas obviously is separate and not. I don't know if the Arkansas obviously, but yeah, usually they have a different side as well. There is really good music will be played, bit of vibes. It's a little bit out of the way. It's in Chiba, and then in Chiba it's still out of the way. Is it me? So big up Sangha and our people, them and the Nevins, yeah. Sangha and his, is it me? And yes, people. So yeah, that's what happening. I've been doing events on weekends usually. If you see my Instagram, follow my Instagram, you see stuff. Yeah, because I'm posting that on YouTube for obvious reasons, monetization and channel blocking and copyright and all that stuff. Yeah, so that is that. Yes, if you notice, yes, I'm a bit bigger. Working on that. We're coming back down, trending down for the end of August, going to November. I'll be going to Jamaica this year. Additionally, all right, so I have I don't want to jinx it, but I'm going to be going on a date, guys. Oh my God, I am just, like a real date. Yeah, soon I'll let you know how that go, because you always ask me about my little life. I only can tell you what I know, and yeah, she's chill, she's nice. She's nice. We'll see though. I'll let you guys know, but yeah, it's crazy. Not crazy, but it's crazy. Just yeah. Anyway, that is that on that. No, sometimes I wonder, like, even what was last thing I spoke to you guys about, it was in the podcast. I was speaking about who should pay the bill, and who like what. I mean, it really does do what works for you. Actually, I mean, in terms of relationships in general, I think we're so caught up in what social media says is okay and what other persons in the world have to say about what should be the norm. We need to be a bit more what's that word? I don't remember English. We need to focus on ourselves some more in terms of what we want and things that are attainable and realistic. And if we're unable to set goals that are attainable and realistic, then we'll never achieve them. So nothing is wrong with being ambitious, but you also have to have the vaulting ambition that Macbeth showed, got him dead. So, although we all gonna die anyway. That's not the point. Now, in this 2022 here, how you guys feel about actually responding to people's messages on time? I don't do it all the time. I'm guilty, but if people are talking to like about asking something, I don't know. To be honest, I used to be very punctual, and then people started treating me like crap, and I just say, "Oh, I'm tired of it." Literally, just tired of it now. I'm gonna just reply. I try to feel. I reflect, or I give you back the same energy. That's what I'm about now this year, giving you the same energy you give me. If you text me once, I'll text you back once. If you give me a nice, exciting vibe, I'll give you back an exciting vibe. I can't be putting out. It can't be one sided. I want symbiotic relationships this year. I can't do the parasitic relationships, the draining relationships, the ones that don't benefit you at any point in time. You know what I mean? You're just giving and giving and giving. You cannot give from an empty glass. If you keep giving, you can't give from nothing. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta watch out for our energy and who we're giving our energy. You know what I mean? And at the end of the day, we're born alone and we're to die alone. And I mean, although we are companion seeking beings, that is basically us as humans. We seek companionship. That is basically our role in thing there. You see me? So it is what it is at the end of the day. I just want to come in here and talk and update you guys. It's a really nice chill talk, give a little story. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And the next video, I might have another video by Friday for the reaction. Alright, because the guys in Jamaican YouTuber, love you all, be safe. If you can be good, be creative and treat people like how you want to be treated. Alright, I'm out because the guys Jamaican YouTuber.